Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Barney here. And if you've landed on this video, it's probably because you're looking for more information about Glucotrust. So stay with me until the very end, because I'll be sharing everything you need to know about this product, including an important warning that could save your health and money. Let's get started. Glucotrust is a powerful natural supplement that brings a lot of benefits to your overall health. It's mainly designed to help control blood sugar levels, stabilize glucose, improve immunity, support healing, relieve pain in the hands and legs, eliminate numbness, and even give you more daily energy. Sounds amazing, right? But the big question is, does Glucotrust really work? The answer is yes. Glucotrust is 100% natural and safe. It doesn't cause any side effects and is made in an FDA-approved facility. It has been tested, validated, and has helped thousands of people see real improvements in their blood sugar and energy. Because it's made with natural ingredients, it's also free from harmful chemicals or synthetic additives, making it suitable for long-term use. But here's something important. For Glucotrust to work effectively, you must use it the right way. You have to take it every single day without skipping doses. Consistency is key. For the best results, doctors recommend using it continuously for at least 3 to 6 months. That's how you'll give your body the time it needs to absorb the ingredients and truly benefit from them. Now here's something you'll love. Glucotrust comes with a full money-back guarantee. That's right. If for any reason you're not happy with the product or you don't see results, you can simply contact the support team and get your full investment back within 60 days. So, it's a completely risk-free purchase. But now, let me give you that very important warning I mentioned earlier. Because of Glucotrust's huge success, there are a lot of fake versions being sold on websites like Amazon, Walmart, and others. These fake products can be dangerous for your health and may not give you any results. That's why it's crucial to only buy from the official website. To help you out, I've already left the official link in the description and pinned comment of this video. Just click there, and you'll be taken directly to the correct and safe page to order Glucotrust. I really hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.